collection, it's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
What it is, everybody, this is probably gonna be the most laziest, like I'm sitting on my flow, bro. Like this is probably gonna be the most laziest review. I'm in my sneaker room, I'm watching my son. So I said, you know what? I promised you I will be giving you guys my Yeezy collection because Yeezys are dropping. They're dropping in price. And if you guys want to see what they actually look like and stuff like that, I figured this is a perfect time for me to show you guys my Yeezys if y'all want to hear what I think about them. So I will continue to give you guys that. So today, as you guys seen from the on feet already, we're going to be reviewing, unboxing, and talking about the Yeezy 700 Enflame Ambers. Now these things dropped in 2021 as well. Got the orange outsole, kind of just like the bright blue that I just done. If you haven't seen that, make sure you guys click the link somewhere on the screen. You better check out that review. But another clean sneaker. But before we get up into the content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We are almost at 10K, fam. Like we're almost there, like 700, 800, now something like that. We less than 1,000 away, less than $1,000 away. I never thought it would happen, and it's because of each and every one of you guys. I greatly appreciate it. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up for your boy. And I ain't gonna waste no more of y'all time, man. Let's go ahead and get up into this review. Let's start with this box. So of course it's just a standard 700 box. I mean, you've seen one Yeezy 700 box, you've seen them all. The only thing that's really different on some of them is gonna be the label. Like this label is your standard Yeezy label. Sometimes they have like the 4 mark here separation and stuff like that where it shows you different sizes, but for the most part they all kind of look the same. But Yeezy Boost 700, Enflame, y'all know how they do. Open up the box. On the other side we do have Yeezy Boost 700, and then as you open up the box, all it is paper, and then it's my tags and stuff like that that's in there. So yeah, man, that's pretty much the box. So we're gonna throw that over there. Let's go ahead and talk about these shoes. Now, the Yeezy 700 Enflame Ambers. These things are fire. Y'all know orange is my favorite color, so anything with that orange outsole, super clean. You get the wave running vibes. The 700 is probably one of my most liked silhouettes when it comes to the Yeezy. The only reason why I don't have a ton of them is because that price point, man. $240 to $270 a pop. So I end up getting like the 350s. I got a bunch of those, as you guys can see right over there. I got a whole bunch of 350s, so I'll be going through those as well. But yeah, so you're gonna pay for these things a little bit, you know. But all in all, super clean sneaker. As you guys can see, we have the orange outsole, like I said, wave running vibes, and then on the upper you have this cream tan color. I like the fact that they hit us with the cream and tan because this is more wearable than the bright blue that I done. You do have on the toe box, it's pretty much the same thing like the wave runners. You have the wave runner vibes on the toe box. You have the white laces, no other laces with this one. Cream insole, cream outsole, you feel me? On the back end of that booty, you got hints of that orange, and super comfortable sneaker. On the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing. You got the 3 stripes behind the netting on this side and on the outside. On the bottom, we do have the orange and the black, and then we have the Boost peeping through. So this is the insole for the sneaker, just a tan color. Got the Yeezy right there, and then on the bottom we do have these 3 pods right here. This is a little bit different than the other ones, but yeah, we do have 3 pods in there. But for the most part, here's the other one. For the most part, just a super clean sneaker. Oh, got the hints of the 3M right there on where the laces are at. As you guys can see, as I said before, the 700 is just one of those shoes that's extremely comfortable. The dad vibe, so it's a bulky sneaker. If you are worried about sizing or anything like that, go a half a size up in these, in my opinion, if you want a comfortable fit. If you like a snug fit, go true to size. I feel like you'll get a snug fit, but like I said, you can't go wrong going up at least a half a size on these things. But that's all I got for you guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Yeezy 700 Enflame Ambers. These things are fire. Right now, currently sitting around $275, $300 resale. You could probably find them used for a little bit cheaper. eBay would be the place to go for that because they do have the authentication guarantee as far as like the used sneakers. So happy shopping, that's all I gotta tell you. But now is the best time to buy a lot of your Yeezys. So make sure you guys are checking and watching the videos. Let me know down in the comment section what sneaker y'all would like for me to review next when it comes to the Yeezys, and I will definitely take care of that. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Hey, if nobody told you today I love you, God loves you, y'all take it easy. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack on the brew for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.